Hey guys, it's JC Chandler back again. Just on real quick, want to show you guys the progress. So this is the fabric that we put on the wood using this glue and this glue, right? So it's dry, and I decided to try. I'll show you guys how I did this, but I wanted to show you the metallic so far. I think the video is not showing it as good as it can be. And then this is foils. So I used this and this as a stencil, and I'll show you this in another video. We're going to do this side on another video, probably do a different stencil. But I also used this foil down here. So I put this and I scattered it with a little piece of plastic, and then I pressed this down, some foil down on the streaks that I did. And the streaks that I did on here, I did another foil. So I'm going to show you guys all of that, but I just want to show you so far so good in my experiments how it's going. It's going pretty well, and I can't wait to show you the rest of part 2. We're going to be on part 2 pretty soon. All right, I'll see you soon. Go create something amazing.